It's no secret that China has been doing pretty well considering all the events of the last year. And the economy here is roaring. It's really going well. It surprises me how much investment I see in new businesses, startup businesses, expanding businesses. It's very impressive. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Rojo Reads the News. I am your host, Paul. Remember, if you like what you see, please consider supporting me. Today's article was sourced from China Daily. Guangdong reports solid trade growth in 2020. And this is evident. I live in a manufacturing city that is heavily dependent on international trade. And from my friends and my students, and just an overall sense of walking around this town, this does not surprise me one bit. And it's putting some numbers on it. Let's see. Guangdong province, China's biggest foreign trader, recorded an import-export volume of more than 7 trillion yuan, or over $1 trillion, for 2020 after a province set a record for exports, according to the Guangdong Customs on Wednesday. This is a photo of Zhujiang New Town in Guangzhou. This is a very dynamic part of the city. I love going to this part of the city. Incredible architecture, some of the nicest hotels I've ever stayed in. Just a fun, fascinating. This is also where near the American consulate is as well. Guangdong's foreign trade with the Association of Southwest Asian Nations, the United States and the European Union, as well as cross-straits trade with Taiwan, all saw year-on-year growth in 2020 despite the coronavirus pandemic and the tensions in China-U.S. relations. Guangdong, a major production base for the world, reached a foreign trade volume of 7.08 trillion yuan in 2020, representing more than 22% of the country's total despite a slight year-on-year drop of 0.9%. The province sold 4.35 trillion yuan worth of products abroad, marking a year-on-year growth of 0.2% and a record high, while its imports came to 2.73 trillion yuan, a year-on-year drop of 2.6%. That makes sense. I mean, considering what's going on in the rest of the world and on the other side of the coin, what's going on in China, these numbers make complete sense to me. Guangdong has a trade surplus of 1.62 trillion yuan in 2020. ASEAN, or the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, has replaced Hong Kong as the largest trading partner of Guangdong, which is home to myriad foreign-funded companies and joint ventures. Guangdong achieved trade volume of 1.09 trillion yuan with ASEAN last year, up 6.5% year-on-year, while the province reached a total trade volume of 1 trillion yuan with Hong Kong, a year-on-year drop of 8.8%. Guangdong's foreign trade with the United States and the EU saw a year-on-year growth of 4% and 1% respectively. Trade with Taiwan grew by 7.9% the previous year. So just some numbers, just a quick update of how the economy here in Guangdong, my home for the last 5 years now, is doing. Again, a lot of my friends, my students, previous clients work in foreign trade and manufacturing. And so I have kind of gotten a little insight on what has happened here in the last year. These numbers represent my feeling, my understanding of the marketplace here. What do you think? Comment below, let me know. Don't forget to check out my main vlog channel, Walkabout Rojo, my general life here in China and throughout Asia. We'll see you there.